Hello everyone, Shubham this side. Today I'm going to discuss about the Tableau software, and we are going to make a end-to-end project over the Tableau software, and we are going to see the basic features and how to do visualizations, how to filter the data, how to get the top 10 rows, and how to make a dashboard in the Tableau software. It's a quite interesting software. And for the visualization I am using this dataset, which is the Netflix movies and TV shows dataset. It is freely available over the Kaggle website. You just need to write over the Google Netflix TVs and TV shows dataset at Kaggle, and you just need to click over here, download. For the download, you need to create your own ID over the Kaggle website. Okay, so let's quickly jump to our blue software quickly. And I'm using the desktop version of this Tableau software, and you can also download this software. And if you find any of the issues regarding the download of the this Tableau software, you may write in the comment section. I will just make a small video of it so that it will be easy for all to download. But yes, firstly I will recommend you try your own to download this tool. And let's click over here and let's upload our data. Okay, so our data has 12 fields and the 8807 rows. The it's showing. Okay, so it has a show ID, type, title. Type in the type means the movies or it is a TV show. The directors, cast, country, added date, release year. So this is the various datas that are information that is available into the dataset. So let's quickly jump to the sheet. So it is how the sheet appears like, and we are using the red and black constraint of the color contrast. So let's quickly. I would also so let's start. I am going to show you how the visualizations can be done. Okay, let me see the it's and I want it to be in the date and time format. So just it's click here. Right now it is in the string format, and I think the date should be in the date and time format. So it's been done. What I will do, just simply drag and drop it here, and see all it will be converted into the years. And now just do the show ID over here, and I want it as a distinct value, count distinct. And for this text, and I want it on the basis of type, whether it is a movie type or a serial type. And here is my column type. See, this is the visualization as per the this visualization. Okay, wait a minute, I think there is a null value in this, and I do not want a null value in my data. So it is how you can handle the null values in the Tableau software. It's easy to use, simple. You just need to drag drop the things as per your use. And let's hide the card. Okay, and I want it in the entire view so that I can utilize my whole of the screen. So this is the information. And yes, I want, if I want to present in the form of area chart, it can be done like this. Okay, so I also need to show you the labels, that this represents the movie and this represents the TV shows. So simply you just need to press control and just drag this into the this label. Okay, so in the Netflix there is a red and black, the theme color they use. So what I will do will simply go to color, edit colors, and I want the red. For the movies, I want this red color, and for the TV shows, I want some light color. Yes. Click on apply, things will be done. And for the background, I want my sheet to be in the black color. This is how it can be done. And for the text field, I want it to the white and with the bold. And let's also remove the grid lines. For the rows, I think yes, rows. Sorry, for the columns, yes. Now it's I think now it's looking somehow good. And let's uh, remove this also. I do not want this to be written as, and also I do not want this to in my field. Yes, I think now it's looking somehow good. But yes, I want it to be a little bit more darker. I think the dark color is this. It's showing this. Okay, now let's add the title in the sheet, and I am naming it with the help with the total movies, movies and TV shows by year. Okay, select it all, make it a bold, and I want it to be in the red color, and I want it to be in the middle. Let's click on apply and OK. So this is our first chart information. Okay, and it's looking good. Let's create another chart in the Tableau. At the end, we will be converting all this into the uh, dashboard. Now I would like to show you the map functionality in the Tableau. You just need to click over this, double click over the country, and it will be automatically generated. And I want the show ID into the color. This is how it can be done, and I want the distinct count of it. This is how uh, the color looks like, and I want my map to be in the red color as we are working over this Netflix, and I want the red shade. Yes. Now I think it's looking more fine, and I want the background to be black. So we will be using the dark mode in this. Now it's looking good. And let's also do one thing. Let's format the sheet also. Let's make it a black color. Filter data. Yes. Now it's looking, and I want this. This is how our map will look like. And let's give the name to the sheet, and it will be total movies and TV shows by country. make it into bold, and let me add it in the middle. Now it's looking more good. And yes, labels can also be edited, but I don't think that we need a label in this. Okay, so let's jump to our next. And if you just need to drag here and there, and all your tools will be available. Now let's create another sheet. Okay, so now what I'm going to be list you, I want to show you the show ID, and I want the distinct count of it. I have and the listed in, and I wanted the table format. And to arrange this into the ascending and descending orders, what you need to do, just need to um, press over this, so all things will be presented into the ascending and descending. And also let's drag it over here, and now I want the distinct count of it also. uh, okay, it's already in the distinct count. And if I want to show you the top, I want to filter it on the basis of top 10. So this is the way how the things can be sorted in the W. Also, let's change the color of this in the red and black format as per I use. Simply click over here and choose the red color. Things will be converted, and I want the format to be in black color. And let's take the text, to be in the white color with the bold one. Let's remove this. Let's move the grid lines from the chart. So this is how you can present all your charts. Okay, now I want to filter my data on the basis of top 10 only. Here you can type on which you can want. If you want the top 20, simply write 20 over here and click on apply. All your data will be sorted, and I want the entire view of it. Okay, and let's name to our sheet. Give a name. and the name I am giving it as a top 10. Bold in the middle and convert into the red color. This is how our data will look like. Now let us see the ratings. For showing the ratings, what I will do, firstly I will put that rating into this. Okay, and I will be showing you the count id show, and I want the distinct count of it. This is, put it in ascending and descending order. And also if you want, if you need to put into the label, it can be done also. The labels will be available, and let's convert into the red color, and the format will be the black color. And let's remove these lines. We have it none. And yes, for this text I want white color. This is how things can be sorted. Tableau. Simply let's name it ratings, and putting it in the bold format and making it a red. Let's put it into the middle. Now it's looking more good. You can also see, can show the description over this. So for this, what you need to do, so for it, you simply, for description, you simply drag and drop into the text format. You will be getting all the description and the movies. And let's make a filter of it. I want it to be showing the filter, and we will customize it. I do not want to the show value, and let's make it into the single drop down. So now things will be appear like this. Okay, and I also want the title in the same. It's, I will be adding it as show filter, and I will be customizing it. I do not want this. And I also want into the single. Now all your things will appear here. And yes, I want only the relevant values, and here only the relevant values. And let's put in the entire view. And let's make the format in the black color, and the text I want in the white. Let's increase size a little bit, and I want it in the middle. Now it's looking more attractive. Let's give the description. And maybe it has a description. Just click over apply and make it into the middle. Now it's looking more good. Same way we can also done on the basis of this release year. What you need to do, just click over here and press over a duplicate and just remove it, and I want your ear will be visible. And yes, for this you can also edit it, and let's format it and put it into the white, and the body color I want into the black. Now it will be more good. So by this you can see this is how. And let's give it name it to the release year. In the middle, the somehow bold format. Okay, and the duration can also be set up same way. uh, just make another duplicate of it, and I want the duration in the text format, so it is the duration. And if you will write the movies, it will show me the minutes. And let's also rename it to the duration. Simply apply and this. Let's quickly name. Let me give a name to my worksheets. So it's total movies by year, and it's movies on TV by country, and it's top 10, and these are the ratings, and it's a description, release year, and it's a duration. So these are my various uh, insights that I have been created from the data. And let's do one thing. Let's directly jump to the dashboard and make some of the interesting dashboards. So for making the dashboard, click over here, dashboard, and over there, new dashboard. Let me drag it here. Let's increase the size little bit. Okay, sheet is being adjusted as per our need, and let's upload. Firstly, I want this chart. Okay, so it is appearing in the white, and I want my dashboard format to be in the black. Okay, now let's uh, upload the ratings. These are all my ratings, and let's top 10. I want to be here. Let me do one thing, decrease the size of it, remove it, and remove it as these are of no use as of now, and also increase the size of it. So this is how dashboard will look like. And yes, as per your use, you may also define all this. Like if you want to add some of the description, you may add over here and the things as per use. So this is our final dataset, and this is the dashboard which we have created, and it's a interesting. It is a good dataset, and these are the various insights we have gained from the data. We will explore. We will also work over this more, and we will be showing you that how it can be converted into the live section. For that, just comment over my video. What other help you may need from me, and that's all about it. Thank you, guys. Have a good day.